Hi, and welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. Today I'm sharing with you our Easter vlog of just kind of our traditions, our family, and what we do for Easter, and just to get to know us a little bit better and see how we celebrate the day. I absolutely love seeing the kids run around and find the Easter eggs and, play the different games that we have, or just with the water balloons and the silly string, and just really having an excellent time with each other, with cousins, just having the best time. It just so warms my heart. One tradition that I absolutely love, and I just enjoy it all year round, is painting the canvases. And then, they dry. Each child just has their own ideas. They get to do, if they're big enough, sometimes we just do like hand and footprints, which we did for our new little Tiago this year. But like Miranda just had a beautiful little design she wanted to make. And to watch the older kids with their creativity and what they like to do. And then it's just like the next day they go right up on the wall. And I enjoy that every time I walk through the kitchen. My whole wall of all of the beautiful canvases that are done. I just enjoy that all year round. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you enjoyed and it brought a little smile to your face, and just to enjoy watching the kids run around and have a great time. It was a wonderful day. I hope you had a wonderful Easter as well, and that you had just as good of a day as we did. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.